Imagine that this is your backyard, a true jungle with 3 homes on the property, 2.5 acres. This is Rancho Coco, and this is Melanie Engel from Flamingo Beach Realty, your premier luxury brokerage here in this gorgeous, beautiful Guanacaste, Costa Rica. Today I'm in Playa Negra, and I'm about to show you one of my new exclusive listings. Come enjoy this beautiful property tour with me and dream about what is possible for you. Rancho Coco has 3 structures. Number 1, which is a 4-bedroom home, 4.5 bathrooms. Number 2, which is a 2-bedroom, 2 bathrooms. And number 3, which is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom home. What's really great is there's 2 entrances. This is the one for number 1 and the guest house. And from here you have a covered carport. Passing through the jungle and an orchard of fruit trees, you arrive at the main home. Here there's 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and the home is shaped like an L. We have the social area over here. We have the bedrooms on the left-hand side, and out front you have this incredible yard, completely private, surrounded by gorgeous trees. You've got your pool and nature, everything you dreamed of. Rancho Coco has a modern tropical design. There's plenty of glass, and they have a teak ceiling that carries from the inside to the outside. This home was designed to live in or out. Here on the bedroom wing, you have 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and they're designed to sleep 10 people over 8 beds. Each bedroom has its own bathroom. So relaxing and peaceful here. This is true heaven on earth. It's like your own nature soundtrack, but right in your own backyard. This is your dream come true backyard. Here you've got a refreshing pool to cool off in the hot days. You're surrounded by all kinds of fruit trees. Right behind me, lemons, coconuts, mangoes, palm trees. This is truly Pura Vida life. What drink would meet your fancy at this beautiful bar? The kitchen is so sleek. It has white countertops, these flat white cupboards that go around the whole side, and you have 2 storage units. At this entrance, you have a covered carport and a garage, and you arrive at Rancho Coco number 2. This has equally outdoor space as indoor space. The home is quite large. It's got 2 bedrooms, a kitchen inside, and then outside you've got a dining room, an outdoor living room, a gym, a second outdoor space. The couple actually lives here and rents the other house, but depending if you're moving here with your family, you can live in the other house and rent this one. This is truly amazing. You're covered with nature and all these fruits and fauna. This is Rancho Coco number 2. The family that lives here lives mostly outside. As you can see, there's so much covered space outside on this left and here in the front. Inside there's 2 bedrooms, a king bed with a loft, lots of closet space and a desk area. You have an ensuite bathroom. There's also another bedroom with an ensuite and a little kitchen between. Come, let's go take a look. There are over 150 different fruit and aromatic plants here. Literally steps from your front door, you're gonna find all these beautiful fruits. You've got papaya, you've got mangoes, you've got bananas, lemons, limes, everything you can imagine. Imagine how healthy you're gonna be here at Rancho Coco. Are you a nature lover and do you love gardening and do you love plants? Then you're gonna love Rancho Coco. This property is over 2.5 acres. There's plenty of space to expand. You've got tons of fruit trees, beautiful plants, basil right in your own backyard. On the back of the property, it's super special. You have little paths back here. It borders a creek area. It always stays green. And because you've got all these fruit trees and jungle, it's always full of birds, animals. You'll see all kinds of wildlife here. I love how all the trees are labeled. This one's mango. Rancho Coco house number 3 is super cute. It's got its own living room and kitchen, 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, a huge covered outdoor terrace, and as far as you can see, jungle. You've got mangoes, coconuts, malinche trees. I even see the hummingbirds and the butterflies right now. Located in the gated community of Rancho Algo Dulce, Rancho Coco is just minutes away from grocery store, restaurants, and best of all, the beach. Wow, check out the monkeys. There's about 30 of them. A 4-minute drive from Rancho Coco, you arrive at this beautiful beach called Playa Negra. It's known for its world-class surfing. Here, surfers come from all around the world just to surf at this beach. It's also great for beach walks and finding sea treasures. If you would like this paradise to be yours, to live in the jungle and be minutes away from a beach, please check out my website, flamingobeachrealty.com, or give me a call on WhatsApp. I would love to talk to you. Have a beautiful day. Pura vida.